Hi everyone. Hope you all are good. We are here for grade 8 math. You can find all the lessons on aplusstudents.com. Email address and password is provided by the administrator. Then you have to select math from the subject tab. Scroll lessons. There you can find a list of the chapters. We're going to start with the chapter linear equations. The lessons we're going to cover today are write a linear equation from a slope and a point. Write a linear equation from 2 points. So please make sure you have your notebook and pencil so that you can note down the important examples and definitions as well, right? Here I'm on grade 8 math, just linear equations. Let's just start with the lesson that is write a linear equation from a slope and a point. Okay, a line with a slope of 8 passes through the point 0, 6. What is its equation in slope intercept form? So you are given the slope. The slope is 8. And also you are given the point that is 0, 6. You have to write down the equation in the slope intercept form, right? So basically the slope intercept form is y equals mx plus b, right? You are given the m, that is slope. You have to find the value of b, right? So use the given point that is 0, 6. X is 0, y is 6, and m equals 8. Put all the values in the equation. Y is 6, m is 8, x is 0, and b, right? Solve the equation. 8 times 0 is 0. 0 plus b is 6, so b equals 6, right? Now you have the value of b. You simply have to write down the equation, that is m is 8, that is y equals 8x plus 6, and here is the 6 we just calculated. So y equals 8x plus 6. Okay, let's just start with the test questions. Point 47 has a slope 4. What is its equation in slope intercept form? So you are given a point that is 47 and a slope that is 4. Use the equation y equals mx plus b and solve for b. Because you have y, you have x that is 4, y that is 7. Just put all the values in the equation. Y is 7, slope m is 4, and x is also 4, and plus we just solve it for b, right? That is 7. 4 minus 4 is 16. So 7 minus 16 equals b, 9. Now you have the value of b also. So the equation is 4, 4x 9. So the correct option is option 1. That is y equals 4x minus 9. Option number 1 is the correct option. Got it? The correct option is option number 1. That is y equals 4x minus 9. Option number 1 is the correct option. Okay, the next one is align. Okay. A line that includes the point 0, 3 and has a slope 2, what is its equation in slope intercept form? So which is the correct option? You are given the point. You have to do exactly the same thing we just did, right? That is y equals mx plus b. Calculate the value of b, right? X is 0, y is 3, m is 2, 0 plus b. So 0 times 2 is 0, b equals 3. So the correct option is y equals 2x plus 3. Option number 2 is the correct option. The correct option is y equals 2x plus 3. Option number 2 is the correct option. Got it? Because the slope is 2 and the y-intercept, the b is 3. So that is y equals 2x plus 3. Option number 2 is the correct option, right? That is y equals 2x plus 3. A line that includes the point 20 has a slope of 3. What is its equation in slope intercept form? So the point is 20 and the slope is 3, that is m, right? X is 2, y is 0. Just use the point slope intercept form of the equation, that is y equals mx plus b. You have the value of y, you have the value of m, and also you have the value of x. You have to calculate the value of b. Just put up all the values, right? Y is 0, x is 2, m is 3, and plus b. So 6 plus b equals, and b equals negative 6. So the equation is y equals mx plus b. So that would be 3x minus 6. Option number 1 is the correct option. That is y equals 3x minus 6. Option number 1 is the correct option. Got it? Y equals 3x minus 6 is the correct option. A line has a slope of 8 and passes through the point 110. What is its equation in slope intercept form? So which is the correct option? So the point is 110. Just use the point and the slope and calculate the value, calculate the equation. Y equals mx plus b. M is 8, x is 1, y is 10. That is 10 equals 8 times 1 plus b. So b equals 10 minus 8, that is 2. So the equation is y equals 8x plus 2. The correct option is y equals 8x plus 2. Option number 1 is the correct option. Got it? The correct option is y equals 8x plus 2. Option number 1 is the correct option. Got it? A line has a slope of 8, passes through the point. Okay, that's the one. Say. A line has a slope of 6, passes through the point 0, 5. What is its equation in slope intercept form? So which is the correct option? The correct option is yes, option number 1 is the correct option. That is y equals 6x plus 5. The correct option is option number 1. That is y equals, yes, y equals 6x plus 5 is the correct option. A line has a slope of 7 passes through the point 1, 4. What is its equation in slope intercept form? So which is the correct option? The second one. Hold on. Yes, that's the second one. Y equals 7x minus 3 is the correct option. Very good. A line has a slope of 5 and passes through the point 1, 3. What is its equation in slope intercept form? So which is the correct option? The correct option is option number. Yes, 1 is the correct option. That is 5x minus 2. Okay, you can. Okay, let's just do more examples. A line with slope of 10, 0, 10. What is its equation in slope intercept form? So which is the correct option? The correct option is that is y equals 10x plus 10. Option number 1 is the correct option. A line that includes the point 1, 2 has a slope of 9. What is its equation in slope intercept form? So which is the correct option? The slope is 1, right? So the correct option is option number 2, y equals x minus 9. Option number 2 is the correct option. Okay, the next one is 9x. Oh, the slope is 9. Sorry, not 1. Option number 1 is the correct option. Sorry. A line includes the point 2, 8, the slope of 2. What is its equation in slope intercept form? So which is the correct option? The correct option is y equals 2x plus 4. Option number 2 is the correct option. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. The next lesson is write a linear equation from 2 points. Let's just start with the next lesson. A line includes the point 1, 9 and 0, 5. What is its equation in slope intercept form? So use the point and calculate first, and then you have to calculate the y-intercept, right? So let's just see how do we calculate slope. You are given two of the points, right? The slope is change in y divided by change in x. So subtract their y coordinates divided by subtract their x coordinates, and you have slope 4. The second thing is you have to find the y-intercept. You can use any of the point you have now slope and use any of the point like we just did in the previous lesson, right? And calculate the value of b. So here is the point is 4 and the point using is 1, 9. Use the point, put it values in the equation and calculate the value of b, right? So b equals 5. Let's just start with the practice question. Then you can understand easily, right? Okay, puts the point 2, 6 and what is its equation in slope intercept form? So you're given 2 points. First thing is calculate the slope, right? The slope is change in y. What's wrong with the pen? Change in y divided by change in x. Subtract their y coordinates first. 4 minus 6 and the next coordinates 1 minus 2. That would be negative 2 over negative 1. So negative 2 is the slope, right? Okay, now you can calculate, use any of the point, first one or second one, and calculate the value of b, right? Y equals mx plus b. I'm going to use the second point, right? Y is 4, slope is 2, x is 4. plus b, right? 1 it is, sorry, not 2. 4 equals 4 plus b. No, but the slope is 2. 2 times 1 is 2, right? So 4 minus 2 equals b. So b equals 2. So the equation is y equals the correct option. 2x plus 2 it is. I don't know why the pen is hanging. The correct option is y equals 2x plus 2. Option number 1 is the correct option. Got it? The next one we'll do it on board. Our line includes the point 2, 2 and 3, 7, right? Now you're given the points 2, 2 and 3, 7. Let's just do it on board. 2, 2 and 3, 7. 2, 2, 3, 7. First thing, calculate slope. 7 minus 2 divided by 3 minus 2, right? That is, these are the y coordinates, these are the x coordinates. 7 minus 2 is 5 over 1. That means the slope is 5, right? Now you can use any of the point and calculate the value of b, right? Let's just see how do we calculate. Y equals mx plus 4. Now I'm going to use the first one, right? 2, 2. So that is 2 minus 10 is negative 8, right? So the correct equation is y equals 5x minus 8. The correct option is 5x minus 8. Got it? Option number 2 is the correct option. That is y equals 5x minus 8. So basically, these are the things we are already doing. When using graph, we do the same thing, right? What is its slope equation in slope intercept form? So solve the question and write the answer in the chat box. Okay, so let's just calculate the slope. 6 minus 10 is 4, 6, right? 5 and 10, 4 and 6. That is 6 minus 10, 4 minus 5, right? That would be negative 4 over negative 1. That is 4. Now calculate the b. Y equals mx plus y is 10. 4 times 5. 10 minus 20, negative 2. So the equation is y equals negative 20, not negative 2. Y equals 4x minus 20 is the correct option. The correct option is y equals 4x minus 20. Option number, option that's not 20, that's 10. Y equals 4x minus 10 is the correct option. Okay, let's just move on to next one. A line includes the point 1, 8 and 0, 5. What is its equation in slope intercept form? So which is the correct option? which is the correct option? Okay, the points are 4, 2, and 7, 8, right? The points are 4, 2, and 7, 8. Let's just calculate the slope first. 8 minus 2 is 6. 7 minus 4 is 3. Slope is 2, right? Now let's just calculate the value of the point y equals b, mx plus b. So 2 times 2 plus b. Sorry, x is 4. So 2 minus 8 is negative 6, right? So the equation is y equals 2x minus 6. The correct option is y equals 2x minus 6. Got it? The correct option is option number 2 is the correct option. Which is the correct option? That is y equals 6x plus 3. Option number 1 is the correct option. A line that includes the point 3, 4 and 2, 1. What is its equation in slope intercept form? So which is the correct option? Is equation number 1. Y equals 3x minus 5 is the correct option. Got it? The correct option is equation number 1. Y equals 3x minus 5 is the correct option. A line includes the point 2, 8 and 0, 4. What is its equation in slope intercept form? Which is the correct option? The correct option is y equals 2x plus 4. Option number 2 is the correct option. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. The next lesson is that's the last lesson from the chapter, that is slopes of parallel and perpendicular lines. And G has a slope negative 9 over 4, and the line H is the slope, line H is perpendicular to G. What is the slope of line H? So you have to calculate the slope of the line H, right? How do we calculate when the lines are perpendicular? Their slopes are negative reciprocal. Negative reciprocal means you have to multiply by the negative sign, and reciprocal means you have to interchange the numerator and denominator. So the slope here is negative 9 by 4. First multiply it with the negative sign. That would be positive 4 over 9. The second thing is just reciprocal. That would be 4 over 9. Question number. That means the line H has the slope 4 over 9. The parallel lines have exactly same slope, but the perpendicular lines have the slope that are negative reciprocal each other, right? Let's just start with the test questions. Line T has a slope of negative 5 over 2, and line U has a slope of 5 by 2. Line T and U are parallel or perpendicular, so you have to look at the slopes and then you have to tell either they are parallel or they are perpendicular. Here you have negative 5 by 2, and here you have 5 by 2. The slopes are not same. That means they are not parallel, and they are not. This is negative slope but not the negative reciprocal. That means they are neither parallel nor perpendicular. The correct option is neither. The line U has the slope of negative 3 by 5. Line B is parallel to a line U. What is the slope of line B? So parallel lines have exactly same slopes, right? So line U has the slope negative 3 by 5. That means line V has a slope negative 3 by 5. Option number 1 is the correct option. Line G has a slope of negative 2 over 9. Line H is perpendicular to G. What is the slope of line H? So they are perpendicular. Perpendicular lines have the slope that is negative reciprocal. So which is the correct option? Yes, that's option number 2. 9 by 2 is the correct option. That is the negative reciprocal of slope of line G. Line T has a slope negative 8 over 9. Line U is parallel to line T. What is the slope of line U, which is the correct option? Parallel lines have exactly same slope. So the correct option is negative 8 over 9. Option number 1 is the correct option. Line F has a slope of 4 over 5. Are line E and F are parallel or perpendicular? So which is the correct option? The lines are the slopes are negative reciprocal, right? That means the lines are perpendicular. The correct option is perpendicular. Line P has the slope of 9 by 2. Line Q is perpendicular to line B. What is the slope of line Q? So which is the correct option? The correct option is, because they are perpendicular, so that means they would be negative reciprocal. So the correct option is negative 2 over 9. Line B by 5. Line C is parallel to line B. What is the slope of line C? Which is the correct option? Because they are parallel lines, so they have exactly same slope. So the correct option is 3 by 5. Line S has a slope of 4 by 7. Line T has a slope of negative 7 over 4. Are lines parallel or perpendicular? So which is the correct option? The correct option is they are perpendicular. The correct option is perpendicular. Line U has a slope of -9/5 and line V is perpendicular to line U. What is the slope of line V? So which is the correct option? The correct option is 5/9. Option number 1 is the correct option. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. So we were working on grade 8 math. The chapter we were working on is linear equations. The lessons we have covered today are write a linear equation from a slope and a point. Write a linear equation from 2 points, slopes of parallel and perpendicular lines. So please make sure before the next session you can complete all the practice questions for the lessons we did today. That is your homework until next session, right? So if you need more help with any of the lesson, you can contact any tutor on the Skype. They are available from Monday to Friday, 5 to 9. Or either you can join me in the interactive session that would be daily from 4 to 5. I'm here to answer all your questions and confusions if you have no questions. Okay, then that's all for today. See you in the next session. Bye, everyone.